Hello there. Can you hear
Hel-
me?
Hello, Tushar. How are you? Can you hear
Yeah,
me?
yeah, I hear you. Yeah,
How are you?
yeah, I'm doing great. How about you?
I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Listen, did you see my message?
Yeah, I see your message.
Perfect. What you think? Tell me everything.
Yeah, it's good. Your offer is good, and I appreciate. And the project cost and timeline. I think the cost and timeline depend on the project workload.
Mm-hmm.
And yes, I do SEO. I do Google Ads. I do Facebook ads, Insta ads. Okay.
Oh, okay. Okay. You do Insta ads too?
Yeah.
Oh, that's superb. That's great. That's great. Tell me more.
And the about the website, I do Wix, WordPress,
Wix.
Shopify, Squarespace, workflow. And
Mm-hmm.
if you need a custom website,
Mm-hmm.
custom code website, I also do that. And I will do app development and also game development.
Oh, that's nice. That's interesting. Um, I'll tell you what I want, okay? So
Yeah.
as you saw in the message, I'm telling you, I have too much work right now, and I don't have the capacity, me and my team, to handle all the work. So I need like a partner. So I saw your profile, you literally what I want, a good partner, you have great reviews. So technically it's not gonna be some hard work. It's gonna be basic website. Literally, I don't know. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna work is I'm gonna send you exactly the website that I want as a
Mhm.
croquis, okay?
Mhm.
And you're gonna tell me if you're able to make it.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna show you an example. Give
Yeah,
me a
sure.
second here. Let's I go here. One moment, because I have different clients and they have different niche, so it's not gonna be always be the same thing,
Yeah,
but
I know that. And I have lots of clients.
exactly. So I'm gonna show you something. So basically what I do is like I'm using Reloom. You know about Reloom?
Velo,
Yeah, Reloom. Reloom.io.
Realm.io. Give me a second.
Like this thing here. I don't know if you can see Reloom. It's like an IA that generates like fake website just to
Mm-hmm.
show people. So what I'm
Yeah.
gonna do for my clients, I literally go on that website, create like a mock-up, okay? A
Mm-hmm.
mock-up, a simple mock-up. Let's
Yeah.
say you go here on the mock-up, I say, I don't know,
Yeah, that's the design.
exactly just the design and how I'm gonna work. I'm gonna show them the mock-up, and if they
Mm-hmm.
like it, I'm gonna show you the mock-up, and you're basically gonna make the mock-up real.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So you're gonna turn what the IA not capable of doing, you're gonna turn it into reality, and then you're just gonna tell me what you need, what you don't need, and I'll be there to help you too.
Mm,
So
yeah.
you tell me everything that you need, I'll give it to you, password, everything, I give it to you, I give you your money, and
Mm-hmm.
you give me the website. As easy as
Right.
that. As
Right.
easy as that.
Yeah.
What you think?
Yeah, that's great. And we will work like that.
Okay, cool. So we have a partnership.
Yeah. Obviously,
Okay,
why
cool.
not?
Yeah, yeah. So let's say for a 5 page, like you said in your little reviewer, for 5 page, you charge 400 and what?
For 5 page website.
Yeah, for a 5 page, a normal website with a little bit of color there and there, and I'll give you the picture. I'll give you everything. I'll tell you what color to
Mm-hmm.
use. You'll see the mock-up, literally the same color that gonna be on the mock-up. You'll see it. You just put it, and pictures. Like I will send you pictures, and you're
Mm-hmm.
just gonna add pictures and text. And for 5 page, how much for 5 page?
For 5 page, my charge is 300 USD.
USD.
Yeah.
Perfect. I like you. Tushar, I like you. This is perfect. All right, Tushar, I guess that's it. So what I'm gonna do is we
Yeah,
boosting. So
okay. I'll let you know the things. Like it's a basic website. For basics website, 5 page of website,
mhm.
300. If the workload is difficult, if the workload is more and more, then the charge
Mm-hmm.
will be extra, right?
Yeah, yeah, of course, of course. So before closing the deal, I'll show you the mock-up eventually,
Yeah,
and
yeah,
you'll tell me how much it's gonna cost. So I can go depend on the website, right? So we are partners right now. So you make money, I make money, everybody
right.
make money, so everybody is happy. So
Yeah.
this is the best part. So me, I'm really down to work with you. I guess that's it. I have all the answer that I want. So before signing a deal, I will send you all the details, and you'll review them, and you'll tell me how it's how much time it's gonna
Yeah,
take you, and then I
yeah,
will
okay.
tell my clients.
Yeah, show
Basically.
me. Show me the mock-up.
Right now, I don't have a mock-up. Right now, everything is sold. I have no work right now. But for the week that is coming, we're planning on having some big mock-up. But I'll show you like just for an example. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So let's say web design, web design. Um, just a moment.
Mm-hmm.
Mm, dog, dog business web dog business generate. Give me a second here because my laptop is there, so I don't want to take much of your time. Let's say sitemap. All right. Give me a moment. 235 page. Perfect. Perfect. Give me a moment. Sitemap here. Perfect. You mind if I send you the link?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Give me a
That's better.
second. Yeah, I'll send it's gonna be better. I'll do this.
And send me on Zoom chat box. It will
Yeah,
be
yeah,
better.
yeah, yeah. I'll send you here. I'm gonna copy the link. I'm gonna send you the in the chat. There you go. There you go. You tell me about this website. You tell me about it. Is it something that you are able to make?
Give
This
me a
is just an
second to
example.
review. Yeah, I understand. Give me a
No
second.
worries. No worries. You tell me if you have received the message.
Yeah, I have received my message.
Perfect.
This one?
Exactly, brother. Exactly. Just click on it. Tell me, is it something that it's just a mock-up? It's just a mock-up, just an example. Let's say I send you something like this. Is it something that you able to
Yeah,
make?
yeah, obviously, obviously.
Yeah, it's basic, right?
Yeah, it's basic.
Yeah. So literally, it's gonna be stuff like this. This is
Yeah,
just
it's
an
a.
example to show you like what type of website
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna do. So if you tell me this is easy for you, for me, I'm
Yeah, obviously. Obviously.
perfect. Perfect. So this is how we're gonna work. I'm gonna send you some mock-ups. And
Mm-hmm.
then if I when I have a client, I'm gonna send you the mock-ups of the website. You're gonna tell
Yeah.
me if you're gonna make it. If you make it good, I give you your money. You tell me in what time you're gonna finish the work, and I will give all the details to my client.
Mm-hmm. Sure.
Perfect. I'm cool. I'm
Where are
cool.
you from?
Perfect. Yes, everything is
Canada.
fine. Everything is fine my way. So when I have a client, I'm gonna DM you immediately. All right.
Yeah,
All
sure.
right. All right.
You're
Have a good
from
day, my.
Canada, right?
Excuse. Yeah, me. I'm from Canada. Yes. Where are you from?
Uh, I'm from Bangladesh, and
Oh, Bangladesh, my guy, my guy.
you're.
One of
Do
my
you know?
best. Yeah, I know. Of course, I know, man. Come on.
You're. Okay.
Yeah.
It's a summer or winter in your range.
Right now it's winter, my friend. You mind if I show you? I can show you. Wait. Where's my camera? Do you see my camera? Do you still see my camera?
Yeah, yeah, I see you. Yeah.
Wait. Because me, I don't see myself. Wait, hold on. Oh, why? Wait, hold on. You can still see me?
Yeah.
I don't know. Okay, perfect. I can see myself. Perfect. Let me show you. Ah, so right now it's winter in Canada. Look, see?
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Look everywhere, man. It's like
Everywhere
white.
snow.
There's
Yeah.
no everywhere, man. It's like so cold outside. You can't even
Yeah.
imagine. So it's so cold outside. All right,
Yeah.
Tushar. I'm really glad about this meeting. I have another meeting that is coming like literally in 5 minutes.
Oh,
So
okay.
in my way, I'm really grateful to work
Mm-hmm.
with you. I look forward to this. The moment that
Okay.
I have a client, I'm gonna send it your way. Okay?
Okay, and yeah, sure. And another thing, I will show you. Give me a second. I will show you something.
Yes.
Mhm. After every project is completed, I will
Mm-hmm.
give you those things. Sure.
Mm-hmm.
Do you see my screen?
Yes, I see your screen.
Yep.
Provide. Okay. So you,
Like 30 days ongoing support and a video instruction to manage the website
mm-hmm.
by the client self.
Okay. This is with the price that you giving me at the start, right? It came
Yeah.
with the price. Perfect.
Hmm.
So let's say I have a client, he doesn't have a website. I'm just gonna show you the mockups and you're gonna handle everything. And when it's
Hmm.
done, I give you your money, and then you give me everything. You give me all the password and everything.
Yeah, obviously, I
The
transfer the website from my domain to your client domain.
Perfect, perfect. So he's gonna have all the how can I say it in English? Because I speak French and English, so sometimes my words
Mhm.
are
Yeah, okay,
literally
I understand. No
quite
worries.
yes. So yeah, okay, perfect, perfect. So when everything is done, you give me all like the password and everything, and I
Yeah,
give them to the
obviously.
client. Perfect,
Right.
perfect, perfect.
Okay.
Tushar, we have a deal, brother.
Okay. Just
Perfect.
get back to me when you have the project. Okay. Then we will move forward. Okay.
Perfect. So have a good day. Really appreciate that meeting, and I'm looking forward to work with you. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you for
Perfect.
your
Ciao, ciao.
time. Yeah.
No
Bye bye.
worries. Ciao,
Have a
ciao,
good
to short.
day.
You too.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.